Hi, my name is Kaylin, and today we'll be discussing finding net electrical forces. So here are some of the fundamental basics. You have two types of charges, a positive and a negative charge. Like charges repel and opposite charges attract. So for instance, you have two negative charges repelling and a positive and a negative charge attracting. So, when finding the net force of electric forces, you need to know that electric forces build between charges. When given a problem, you must remember that this fundamental rule because it is the key to answering the question correctly by stating the direction of the charges at the end of the problem. So, what's necessary in finding the net force of electrical charges? The answer to this question is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is the interaction between charged objects, which is a non-contact force that acts over some distance of separation. Every electrical interaction involves a force that highlights the importance of three variables. So, Coulomb's law equation is noted as F equals K times Q1 times Q2 divided by D squared. The variables of that equation are K equals Coulomb's constant, which is 9 times 10 to the negative 9. Q is the charge, which is measured in coulombs. D is the distance measured in meters, and F is the force measured in newtons. Here is a practice example that showcases the use of Coulomb's law. In this problem, we'll be solving for the net force of charge 3 noted here. So, here are the givens. Q1 equals 3 times 10 to the 5th. Q2, or charge 2, is 6 times 10 to the negative 6. Charge 3 is 9 times 10 to the negative 6. And R1, or radius, is 0.10 meters, and radius 2 is 0.05 meters. So back to the problem. The net force of charge 3 can be found by finding the net force of charge 1 and 3 and charge 2 and 3. So essentially we'll be using Coulomb's law equation twice to find the net force of charge 3. So let's see. First, we must rewrite the equation, which is F equals K times Q1 times Q2 divided by D squared. And when we plug that in, our final answer for charge 1 and 3 is 108 newtons. For charge 2 and 3, when we plug those numbers in, the force is 194.4 newtons. And to solve for the net force of charge 3, you subtract 108 newtons minus 194.4 newtons, which equals negative 86.4 newtons. And when recalling charge, you must realize, since it is negative, you realize that it will be 86.4 newtons to the left. Thank you.